TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha, Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha, Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha, Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Right, I was here, yeah, Mamo, na yes, I'm a joke, I dare cry, yes, and we baby, and I was sharing Eddie, if free, I'm on a baby, a honor, a year, a moha. While she free beer at the assans, a mojo, now if you want to have been a madanya near. Na monso mo hwe no ye mamo achen aha Kumawood television medin ere se mai dwumade no sinopi bo wa kwan mu adwoada ekosi efia no nan bope na amansa nyina kasafidie no Kumawood shade so se ne ye transia na omo bo amede dwumade na abrawo Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center Kobotibie Escafa Mantem na Obutu sanso na Kumawood Training Institute also Kumasi Atenga Junction our travel and logistics and so Kumasi afi God's Way Casket Shop ominano and I boy me the jumadi no to me at the abro once again meeting at the mic memojo and then you bring some doso what him say agenda 111 and iswari huna His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ghana Mampani edesna nesu say covid ba na echire wiase nyina nyansa no echire Ghana nyansa akra me hunu say yeah, health facilities no is shot. I was saying it became to penny added to Ghana name last year, somewhere April. Says a Yamaya dom na and Emma F. Nakamua. So Makuma Duminu, which is 1 year, we see 111 hospitals across the country, polyclinics, Samson and district hospitals, and our regional hospitals. The new region 6, you know. Bia Benya Regional Hospital na afin so no 80 almost 80 plus district any hospital no almost so ebetumi nya binya me adom chena ewo Asante Mantem Kuropon Trade Kuruba akwa was Asante Mantem Trade ho na His Excellency me no ka say penifo Kumasi nya agro omba behwe na area to so abofom na adwuma no officially etumi ashase yesi within 12 months na say o chena dia so bofo mu a chena afi pepepe no ye be kọ district no beto dwai na ye be bia no enya omo district hospitals fully finished well ibenya amrani atme di hu nkomo bosha mampani hye ye ene abosha ahodo a mampani anasa abenya hye the timeline da ho a enwie mu no den na we dey yeso nko a wasi nya kwan na enya gidi mu say within 1 year no ebewie information minister say $100 million and sika aban ensa kan o de be hyase e de djuma e ho nkomo e wa ha onum say University Teachers Association of Ghana e twa de tia kan UTAG eneka ho a na wotumi be peni a omote atua nyina no e conditions of service omadjuma ya nsam ho akatua ho sensem e bebre e wo oman Ghana ma omo kyeremu se penifo antua de wo so mutua de ma wo mu a $2,000 nyesika bia man fa mo based on say ya mo sha say 2003 a omo nkwa adwuma abobo ama National Labour Commission at the UTAG echo court nanka omo kwa ko yese nka omo ntwe omo strike no ensensen UTAG nso FRA appeal am no ka nsen no court nei na court twa ni mu senka sam no nika ebetumi aba so then so UTAG for entimi am produce necessary documents also mo de bana asem no edie no ehya asenti yatwa damage 3,000 Ghana cedis for wasting court time ama enei and also them ha over the weekend MPs makuma mienu na omo enya kan kwanhia ne nipa fa kan kwanhia nwuo no enya agro baako labor minister ura Ignatius Bafwawia awua ono no konya kwanhia ne yese ne ho to ne ba sanso na Roxen Nelson
da
Fiamako ono so ko voter regional ono constituency no kwa South Day constituency ho ono so ofiri kujato Ketu South I believe eba yie no ko yi kujato papa yie oba no so benya nkwanhia fa kwanya we so na yan we si o nyina speedy recovery na afi ye mo nana tepahene ye mo na baso pa nana edu sei atwenwa ampem the second Paramount Chief of Tepa. I was na ye bona baso ne se nana etimi atimbo wremu ono ne sika esi a well finished training college ye de ka di aban kro asisi no a I can tell you se minim de se bi betwa na ye bi Accra Training College ne bi St. Louis, a very nice training college edifice ne kama pa na na esi di ama Ghana ban se on de Tepa opase training college ba ho we si ede ma ban sa ban hwe na for mfa chechire for na dusuan for megu ho na enye training college enya em kwa na ye nursing training college is one of the best in Ashanti region e Tepa eno so na nanu a at least ka isi I think say you say bi sa no ono wan so kra so bon sa anye den wo so mo ton sa asa kese ton mani pa mienu miensa dodo no anye hui dodo na anye hui dodo na bi kwa de fama nkola guess no mo fa mo de fa mo sa nana atwenwa ampem a to suminu Tepa man hene nana ye mo aba so obodwuma pa right the other issue say Ebola so aba na Ebola no ayi ne ti ewo Ivory Coast enti ba kwanya bi ho di Ghana ya tighten borders ne pa se de be manfo ntimi nguram na me say we tighten ho borders munim leakages e wo mu a mo so tighten borders mo na to tighten borders no well and so e won sam enso ewo ha na afi so other issues and so e wa ebenyamre na afi etimi adi ho komo na na yedi komo a na ye agenda 111 and afi His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ene abeyi NDC for ano actually mu say in fact oka ama NDC for ate say omo say ene mabu no omo say emfese country no na ba yi hardship na wo man Ghana for so pa makoma ko aduana enum 45 na ya ho kire ohia nkwankro je wo say Ghana ni kwa bi kwa wo singlet no bu Ghana ni wo singlet ba ko betwini sa bet 3 months na ba yi wa fixing na ama wa so hwe wo drop mu a hu de won shekura nti hwan ene ka say na ba he onye hwe eno so ho nkomo e wa ha ebenyamre na afi yetumi edi nsam no de edoso Ghana Health Service koba omo ebo ene ne de gu akwan mu efa Ebola ena afi nso coronavirus no so no eno so nkomo e wa ha GS ene ne teacher for no ka say be ya omuntu legacy arrest no emfa emo mo na otukono Peter Otukono Deputy General Secretary de ma NDC amanyokuo no Otukono se we o ka kire Jane Mensa awe the Electoral Commissioner boss o my Ghana say obi ga ipudu nse na enchekura achakura no January 7 2025 na NDC wa power wacha konwa sokura na June wacha konwa sokura no June 2025 no mapam no ama mo so do mo de aba na mo so na mo pe reform si say yem fa ni pe yem nominate appointing the panana e fa nko parliament na yem ko ye vet ni ade na well and ma me so te wano so fa no ho adwen o say e ka se pa mo Charlotte no wan fa no ho adwen ne pa mo no de a ene ono so fa no ho adwen pa ne say de Well, for you, bra. And then my screen has service and numbers no go. Papa so bra. So now Facebook, Kumawood TV, YouTube so Kumawood TV. Once again, and more job me ding. Edit say Mike. I mean, I fought Nasi, former PC, Edit my NDC, Ewo Insurance Constituency, Ufia. And then I'm a person connected to BC. Is it on the contest here? No, but Jenny do come so Baby Bia, sticker. So honorable, one honorable. And then, but that's who position. Oh, Sanso na the Asante Regional Director, Edema Health Facility Regulatory Agency. It's on the Tiakan Hefra. Where Regional Communication Team member of the MPP. And I feel corner of Eastern Swa. A baby of Chemujina as regional chairman. Wenya fee. So I said next year, party no say be quiet. Some month or regional basis. Obesegina as a regional chairman. Motomanwa, Wabwa, I'm breaking the 8 no at Nebaso. The North East for maybe before Druha na Makaino. Mimiding at the same mic. I'm on Makwaba, not for Yamre, Intimi, AC, Nkonya, Yeninkomo. Evangelist, Makwaba.
Ya obiade
if you were here
nyame adom se me wadansidie bia eye se me de bema ewrade na wotwe etwa mu yi oye madom na me nso ode mfie ba akoka me mfie ho na menya mfie aduanan miensa
ene wanyini
mi nyini na efie eye boko bia wa ahoden de aka ye abanya yedi oman ahye ne nsa se omma nipa setena mu enyemre ye ho haye ene ye kasai petro bo almost 30 cedis and ananado baomia ene cement me se me pe bibi kakra si woda chinchiri ma
baomia se hardship no na mo type de ombeto ye no omo fix ama omo yibe 45 ye ba ho na se bia fu ye no mo time na for dia
Dr. Baumia de how pa but onya hu ye unse metaka no platform yi so na me sanso aka momfa we tape nanto ho e free next year kono ne me kan menyan komisheni but obehunu ne how na owo ne pa o de kwalaji ho bra
okay
omo frefre no
hefra boss inu sa se do akwaba
yenya semai
tan boko de
nyakupo na do bia boko
dia se o chat na so efe na mo ho efe pa mo bo life
in fact na me emre atwemu na me fra ayi reverend me apanyu until just last week me say sa
me uni akuma
ono so me fra me apanyu ni na odi etu me fast now odi for the past 3 years I made the
town of East
me the amount
but me fa akonya we na yenda ya ko for the additional year that for the car reverend yes
good
it's not an easy journey
sure
reverend is so open home
oh yeah we nipa sande for ya san e kanu we nipa we gas we nipa na we nipa
oh yeah what essentially this to be honest with you marker a feature NDC has not chopped in the last so many years especially in that century I don't know now yeah the bonfire said only and check na that
okay
you was saying
what the birthday americano had I think was this time I honest or so we understand the message of something can say or bonfire so winning and check na only opposition
oh yeah minia
under position check
oh say me mean to me we should say on opposition the best I can wish him is say
okay
ni eyemano say obedwane
okay
if he say MPP when I ever done for anything no very very nice the power there me wa gidie pa awo nyankopon mu say e betina power match
sir
if he say ni ofu eduapa no na epia no it Ghana for omundi e 2024 December e be ko aba so me say nyankopon adum ye baby okay say nyoma na ye dia to akwanye no like before you bedroom honomo opposition party no met pay on something we here you na ya feel benefiting
okay right so Sinope live on Kumawood TV ye twa ye ho akwaba ye ba ye nyamre na afi yetumi Sinope
animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da ejuo da ebana da okuo da yawa da efie da ana menya djuma na efie da wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na etia na da so ebia na ne tachere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina ono o sa glue an kasan kra no o sa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na ono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hu say abeye mremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwuru ene danta da bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwau atibie tienie kwau atibie Eastern Region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwawu atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
The winner is Carrie.
Stardom. Kumawood TV reality show a basso Emma Ghana nyina ya budget so Emma season 1 ye di akoda wie no say season 2 audition no e basso den Stardom season 2 audition e basso live we oba ana we berima wonim nyum to nyankopon ama wo adoma chedie bia wo betimi aba na wo be kire obobrede a ba modern ase on the 21st August mu ne da etoso aduonu baako ye di season 2 no so bomadi ase obaba ba pick your forms no aye 150 Ghana cedis per aye 1.5 fabejo Stardom na achede wo mu no de aye bebre aye Saturday a ebe ya bomadi a se wonso obaba na obejo Stardom audition no ebeye butu for number the good screen is no aye 0547 160380 0547 160380 fa number ni se sia na fe ye church mu ekwan a obefa so a wonsa ebeka forms ni bi audition ni nyina beba so e wo Kumase anu ti ba bia wo bia se won kan se wo Takrade se wo Eastern Region se wo Western Region se wo Bro East ana Bro West ana ba bia wo bia Ghana ha bia ni wiase afa na nyina omodian se 21st August ya ba bia wo bia obesim na oba Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona opepe pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛna de audition no ɛhyehyɛ soɔ anɔpa nondu pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛyɛ 10 a.m. na yɛahyɛ aseɛ yɛde dim saa ɛkɔsi 4 p.m. ɛno nti baabi a wɔ biara tutu mmirikae na wɔn nso fa wadom akyɛdeɛ ɛbra na Stardom season 2 wei ha ɛbɛyɛ butu.
And Yarwa do obey and Ajini Pejano Abosso, Yarabi to say, and Yarie, Akumayare, Wadumwatsu, Wuntimin Didi, Obani Berima Wuntimin War. May comfort a read naturopathic clinic at Dudrona Efraye, Madame Katri Clinic Diamau, Madame Katri Clinic Enam Homeopathy, Naturopathy Subetu Yarenina Efriho. Yane Kofa by de Madame Katri Tonic Abe Jamaiso, a bois yesi Pejiano, Nitichu Edema and Ma, one man will feature NCC ye. Sawono Madame Katri Tonica, a bow, Emma Winnipediano, any year now, Boama will feature console aye kama. Ye won't fidio and was swire, dear Bay Jama and swire, this shady Pedianimu, a year, what do a hinting na Eddie. Katri Clinic, Ewo Kumase, Asante Mantem, Buadinia walk. Madame Katrin Clinic, ya ring na last tom.
FD, Yasha say Jadika to Imodia to say a ye.
Well, I will hear. I'm sure you say free moon. Why the den? It is slower. We na fakoko with him and I said, I want to offer and say no more my drama. We know it. Now, in fact, I'm going to take man on my way. I'm good.
Martin Luther.
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, Obrapon to Yao. Semina, my uncle, and Yasha Dayon. The Penia Smammy, Semina Pada, Master Camera. Nammy, Chini, Yada.
Someone that's why. What's your winning problem? Who made you some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What one animal said to me a day in the promise. And what bread in the capre or do for next time? Ghost way casket shop. I will massy labor hire. Me call one man. I know what's an enemy. Yes, can't say you. You would have been Chawano. Missy Kaya, the man is a man. I saw a bit yes, me ambulance. No, Miss Ampedi, everybody done no and come. Ambulance, any of it down, only ambulance service, into the problem cry. Any now, the year is a openness to take a crab with the atwas here. You know, so Kumasa stay by promo. You couldn't put it out. Some Ghostman casket shops here, you will not come every to send your movie now. Ghostman casket shop, you will Kumasi, in front of Newtown, you didn't labor office in the bank. Ghostman casket shop, and we are the.
Yes, I Emma Wakwaba Uguso share Sinopi. We are live on Kumawood TV. Joining our Facebook. So Kumawood TV on YouTube. Kumawood TV. The numerous people, many across the country are Moche Yana Masipa say Monyamre na Moche na Yanchia Ghana's Health Minister Kweku Ajima Menu. A very good evening. Na Yanchia Nana Agri Eshen. And I agree, Shen. You say, oh, and crying. Anna, your bonfire say part in the back I war because the old repair, I feed the partner and Kawa. And you be in a bit too for Naja decay. Now, aggrieved NPP, very say, former members. Because one anabre, Madaroma. No more shall see, you know, Marabaye ministers, Marabaye MPs near that day. The only appointment get to be 1 penny, no 1 penny for more than man and I agree. Nanka day, Madaroma, Monfa and no into me and fa MIN. Well, Information Minister Eda Tuja said, I mean, I do much now. Here in Ashanti region, they say, Achuma Ngabiaja district, Tede, on Penny Edia Sobofom. Now, 111 hospitals, yes, see, to me, the health care delivery across the country and beyond. I say $100 million, and it's a car. Abano enya startup founder onya or the eso jumadi no asena nyame ya dom na bibia ensia 12 months and a deadline a timeline that's why I was a contract at Hodwa omobaye the 88 districts regional and other polyclinics no I was say omo etumi e de ewie well yeni hon komo akra chama I mean say oho the issues of health say ne Ebola ibebem na COVID in Sabam Kakra. Agenda 111. I think the last year, na mampani somewhere April and over share boss obesi hospitals or in all district any district hospitals. If you need more the whole year and this year I think year TVP. The information I did my client say is the 88 lands and I site and I crado. Next watch now no so catch 88 and I 111.
Right, me that's any kind of Mamifa Akunya we na Mima the party executive any members now Mufi like a bedroom a central and then some of the government appointees any some of the ministers are move for that program. In person we bought the say Omodoso why shall not one body the Omunina Mimomuna Kwama. Now the point we say the agenda is 111.
Okay.
The 111 and New Year hospitals are it is Excellency the President of the city from now to the next 1 year. Now, what you can say, His Excellency the President, about 88 last year, and Yan Tishi, a bit because what I know is since then,
my fixed problem no, so they are more fixed country no. Yabatisia.
The winner is Karen. 2 takes.
Stardom. Kumawood TV reality show a basso Emma Ghana nyina ya budget so Emma season 1 ye di akwada wie no say season 2 audition no a basso den Stardom season 2 audition a basso live we your ba and now we berima wonim nyum to nyankopon ama wo adoma chedie bia wo betimi aba na wo bekire obobrede a ba modern say on the 21st August mu ni da etoso aduonu baako ye di season 2 no so bomodin say obaba ba pick your forms no aye 150 Ghana cedis per aye 1.5 fabajo Stardom na achede e wom no de aye bebre aye Saturday ebe ya bomodin say wonso obaba na obajo Stardom audition no beye butu but number the good screen is no aye 0547 160380 0547 160380 fa number ni se sia na fa ye chechero mu ekwan a obefa so a wonsa ebeka forms ni bi audition ni nyina beba so e wo Kumase anu ti ba bia wo bia se won kan se wo Takrade se wo Eastern region se wo Western region se wo Bro East ana Bro West ana ba bia wo bia Ghana ha bia ni wiase fa na nyina omodian se 21st August ya ba bia wo bia obesim na oba Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona opepe and the audition no ehihye so anopa no ndu pepepe aye 10 AM na ya shase ye de dimusa ekosi 4 PM anti ba bia wo bia tutumrikai na wonso fa wadoma chede ebra na Stardom season 2 we ha ebeye butu
And Yarwa do obey and Ajini Pedrano Abosso, Yarebi to say, and Yarie, Akumayare, Wadumwatsu, Wuntimin Didi, Obani Berima Wuntimin War, may comfort a read naturopathic clinic at Dudrona Efraye, Madame Katri Clinic Diamau, Madame Katri Clinic Enam Homeopathy, Naturopathy Subetu Yarenina Efriho. Yane Kofabaye, the Madame Katri Tonic Abe Jamaiso, a bois yesi Pedrano, Nitichu Edema and Ma, one man will feature NCC ye. Sawono Madame Katri Tonica, a bow, Emma Winnipediano, any year now, Bwama will feature console aye kama. You won't feel
yes, I Emma Wakwaba. You go so didn't come against the Fabra. Then you can come out. Agenda 111. And I assure him, say, Yamia Mochina. A best see our trade in the Achumaka district of the Ashanti region. Chairman, now me was Sodami Busa said. One penny, got 111. But then last year, now you say Shasia and Shasia. this time around so yenya $100 million ebe shase afi de so yenya nsase no 88 na 111 kwa na uti free mu a I still no ano anya 111 88
right with us and na me kasano me say agenda na kasa ya agenda 111
okay
hospital so that is the agenda na Nina so is in the region of period of from now to the next 1 year and
how feasible?
Oh, it's very feasible. Once there's money, it's very feasible. The most important thing is that you bet me and your funds and MEP funds not available. Now, once the funds are available, they see 6 months graph. Okay, I said during the COVID time, China, you see 1 week, SC 200 capacity bed. Okay. The excavators were on site, and in fact, all Mukurana forest. Oh, we cleared the place, erect the way within one week. Now, almost in a federation for COVID patients to have.
Me Busa, how flexible would this be? Because there has been a lot of not many projects are either the president, his vice, or a minister of state. Akatisod. Ashebo will be within 2 years, 36 months, be 24 months, it be 12 months. We will come on a project and that's what first term. It be in the new timeline and what the man up home. The idea na different from we.
We know near different in say. All say so governance in Africa. Now follow governance in Africa. Now, we say most at times, even in our budget, we read about projects that funds are not available. Funds have not even been sought. Therefore, so, but now you're dagging and a decision. But this time around, this one is not like that. The way no difference, and he said, funds, the seed capital is available, and the rest of the capital has been funds, have been sought after. Na niya kanu say they finish with the paperwork. Na skana aba.
Nti ano no ntimi delay project no. Okay. Okay.
Na niya na mika earlier on as a technical challenge in the fire say because President Khan somewhere around April last year.
Yeah.
Na nipa bibi say especially omo share that air mischief. Because Nansaya no free government. No governance in the country and in Africa. But now we play mischief. During that time, Nani Amika say you have to do funds sorting any sign and you be an area, including land acquisition, any land prospecting. So until this time around, we are and funds so we have gone almost we are almost there. So that is the main reason why even yet me this particular $100 million yet a share here. So a idea empire entire president now a year by this time no. So to me a would have major part of them been completed. And near Becano Ebia will be at various stages of completion over the 60% or more. So,
wow.
Until Nini say, let's for once be optimistic as Ghanaians. Na Yafa Empire, entire president. Na, sir, agenda 111 here. Nyanku Pompe and not obey massive.
Okay. But if you say mobile, there are other health projects. Abandoned and shares here. I know so say, yeah, can you know, say, you have a hospitals. He said, a healthcare delivery. Said, I am at my phone, we are in there, they have been a bit good. If that is the case, people of the view say, now send it, the abandoned and shares here, whom you and I'm about 2 years. And a moon, and son of Matwa, dear, over some years.
The right with us. na we dey need him pa na me pese me di start some way a policy na it is about health of Ghanaians and nyanyoma esi kono say you asi we say yan hwe ye pa na pandemic na ebeba no ebe multiple of it if you say your lifestyle no has dramatically changed to the west for the west it say yan hwe ye na a lot of pandemics are coming. Now, me can say no. If it was said Africa, especially, it was said you prepare your home adequately. Second one this year will not be running health shelter and seeking for help outside, especially vaccine and vaccine production. So, and I say generally health wise, you know. Until asama u kanono obisa no che sa hospitals na u kan no niana sometimes yeni yenuamu NDC for 80 ayi afidie so say no mo di ejo mo no mo sa we no nyina yewra for and na cost key funding for all the hospitals na almost say omo aye okay eto ho yewra atamils buy no nyame kompo afa ne kra say obaye no untimi enyi ni John Dramani Muhammad Twaso untimi nwe back kran for untimi nwe.
But you believe that funds were made available?
Absolutely.
Okay, it will be a discount na
meba ohono mu na mi keka eba no ntina na me say eni die mu na nka me pese me fanye politics if say this time around no e was say bibia ye bia ana say kasa bia ye was ye ka no e was say ye face realities so ena me nya politician bia all the time me pese me kwachi na me ko blame ni asi ye okay if you said the fact is that omunya na mano ntina Ghana for a year so mostly I don't want to be referring to that but the fact remains that funds were made available sikano omu di sikano fa infa and the hospitals no anti so you are for sortie funds need to answer okoye you are at mills eba or start here because the funds were available or start here gidi yewra Mahama obaye no ye nimbe bia sika no modify ti wontimi anwe ba kukura mpo sei asa osifo na ubisa say adant na ye buy na saa we no ye ntimi nkoso ano enwie you could notice say paper we have done that
no sir mawie
from now
mawie paper amana eye adwuma Doctor for
we have completed formula so and then several others now so I must be honest say Kumawood especially hasn't been tackled now Kumawood and pre no only say only my attachment to Kumawood the most of time when person me rest because Kumawood you know I think a lot of prosecution would have gone down during this period. What they are trying to make nti enu no yamfa enu ntun chain na yaguso a ye completing here na omuentimi an complete but most especially the fact must be established say na fans no ho omu di yeden if na omu di fans no ekoye so that is the bit now where so no it is something that we planned since last year. We sorted for the funds, sorted for the land acquisition. This annual now we are coming to cut short. Now, no man start all around the country. So, I will continue to plead, say, for the first time in a long time, no, optimistic say, a idea a paper so. So. After all, once all the 111 hospitals are there now, Obia on your problem are of course massive Gidiano. Yeah, on fund party ID card. I just over fund the hospital card and I say National Health Insurance ID card. So, until yet to me any year, the Yama Ghana. The vampire say kind of point now. A bit tight.
Okay. 15 in Ashanti region.
Yes.
15. Adansi Asqua Bremano Fija Kwabre North District, Afuano South West, and then Afuano South West near Mancransono. Mancransono district capital. Amansia South District, Manso Adubia Asokore Mampong, Asokore. You have Achuma Mwabiaja North. You have Bosome Freho of Wanse, Obuase East, Sechere Central in Suta, Efija Kwabre South, for Ano Southeast. That's okay. And then you have Asqua. Okay, so Asqua is not having a district hospital.
No.
Okay, so Kumasi South, regional hospital.
Yeah, regional.
Okay, you have Achuma Mponuya District, Akrofrom District, and then Achuma Kwangoma Trade. That's 15. Kumawood, you know. Are they according to Manfa Kumawood and Kawana?
Likely say, a better. But they say, the land is already available for a project of that nature.
Okay. Okay. Right. Get to on Ebola, no? Where your health person idea. Ebola, I say, Ebola Ghana. Now, how do you strengthen, I say, tighten your body? How?
Okay. Sometimes health personnel tightening of bodies now. We don't do the physical border tightening.
Okay. Okay.
But you're making sure, say, we activate our surveillance around the borders.
Okay.
So if Obi cross now, you're making sure, say, you're screening. You're screening with certain parameters.
Okay.
Looking out for specific, okay, and no, Ubanas are only been now. We can allow you to pass. But even one of the numerous signs now we are looking out for now would restrict you from coming. Immigration for the Senegal will take up the decision on you, whether you are coming or you're not coming. Now, Niana make up before now. No. Also, medical can say if we have to watch out for there will be multiples of pandemics attacking the world this time around. If you say the Subai exercise, most especially borrowed lifestyles now, any Mikaburo now, Mikasa before Echo Amanoni Echo GNB.
Okay.
Yet to look on room up of animals' lives. All
right.
Right.
Okay. Right. I was Augusto Sinipi. I didn't channel Fabra, Nayam Rankin Camp, Mamma Penny, Yami Admotina, or Santiman Temuha Trade, and Penny, Banina, and I said, wow, district hospital, any honor. The Norton Kunyo, there's a Siaman Kuadia, or Ba, obviously, district hospital, at me at the Amamo. I know, and watchna, my pendia sober from there. Shall say was Santiman Temu, dear, not a property. Within 1 year, I was as a Oku Krum, and I won't cook Krum, and next year by this Abako Krumono, now or district honor, now or district hospital. That is the vision of this current government. Another Okupuado. Evangelist.
Senior.
We say fantastic. Sadi with the Yami Aduna 1 year can a bemua in our neighbor's original. Now, yesterday to the President of the Republic.
Yo, Meda say, nay, Wani Suadi who say 1 year time, na say Sadi we etumia bemua. Oba sorry, no was salute to the President.
Good.
Say, Nuntina Otoaba.
Sure.
Good. Enti mamenkan adia ketua bi Nanado Dankwa, the President Nanado Dankwa Kufuado, as part of measures to mitigate the impact of the health crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, on Tuesday, August 17, 20, will break grounds. So, underlining word here is as part of measures to mitigate just a normal or the good form COVID-19 na aseno ye here hospitals. Good. 1 year ni ana omampanyini sa anajo oba TV so obeye fellow Ghanaians no. Oka say owani so ade hunu say obesi hospitals 88 na e de aboa COVID akon no because obinya covid e was say ye de no kwa yaresabia ye wo even isolation center e ho no che say ye tini free nipa ho ni ye de hwe no good enti 1 year ago and o man panyini ka say a year by that time no April May mu ho no na sa 1 year na so ye hospital no ye hunu as a simple ye hu foundation. This is the same o man panyini a ene wasan so aba e china ye say or they so ebe bofom yen hwa de bi nso wa ha aye information minister eka bibi or say he said the agenda 111 is programmed to take 12 months to complete from commencement of each unit with a funding of $100 million from government through the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund GIF. Chase yama omo bosome dumienu. This is another 1 year. Omampanyina 1 year ni etwa mu ohyebo ne ye hunu anweampo ye hunu abo. 1 year later no or say another 1 year, which means abeko next year mu. So next year by August I was say yenya ye hospitals no. Na one interesting thing the entire mekan ha ne ye Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund no. Unim the history of Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund. Oye nsamchoni se unim ameboa mi bisa yendi nkomo. Na hu se wasere Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund was set up in 2014 with the mandate of Ghana's government to invest in infrastructure project. 2014 ana baby a omampanyini na na dodankwa ekoyi sika free sa 100 million na ye ka no okonya free no aye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ano nya ni suade hunu se Ghana sika ye bobosia ye ton ye fomu agudie ye ton fango ne ade sika e ba ni nyina yenti sika kuo botin bia eno de ye de behwe edi BSC schools ye de bi be ya kwan ye de bi be sisi hospital. That is infrastructure purpose driven fund. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and setting it up. When him say His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings ne pension ye take get fund a year Ghana Education Trust Fund no so or etrimopone ye say yenti sika bia to a Ghana for tua no ne fan to baby a school adada e wo ho no eye adan ne no mo hia no sa sika ni sisi bi nkan so it's going concern senior economics for beka no anunti se ne happy Alaji does not go round. Alaji in fact a photocopy ni bi nko no mo se KSTS o man panyina si we wo we Amedi a si we I get fund project NDC and the Rollins they buy ye na ye sa adwuma no even yanko agenda 111 no enne mama wa hunu baby a His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado o konye sika free wo de abesi hospital GIF GIF His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oye visionary leader and set up I want no muko yi $100 million no na $100 million no enhwehwemu amaye abetu dwa say omo budget say almost every unit I was almost spending almost $18 million. 17. I will use your 17.
17, yeah.
Say $100 million. Yeah, they should be biase. Now, ne dodo ye 111.
It's almost at 88 now. The $100 million.
Where they use 88.
88.
Yeah, use 88. $100 million. Which by 88? I will say do that math quickly. Let's do this math. $100 million. Which by 88? Sir, yeah, the 17 year Juma. We are going to get around 6 hospitals. You did maths. You can also do it. I'll mark. Near woman say you see me te hai say yes hospital wunya say 11 million, which means 7 we say now 17 now kan no and ye 100 million into me my 88 no meboa One MPP for
even no 11.
And do 11.
It shouldn't be more than even 10.
And do 10.
One. Not even 100. Oh no. It is something.
88 Krampo. Now 100 million. It's 1 point something million. 1 point something million cannot build a hospital.
That's true.
It cannot build any hospital
because
even cheap compound.
The estimate is 17.
Good.
That is 17.
For one. Yeah, Betty and Sefri.
That is 17. In the now I say, okay.
You are right. I am not crying a wedding. Ghana need be all shame. On 500 million. Non divided by 88. Nanado. Okay. Me barely omo. 100 million. No yeah, dear, they shall see. And to say yeah, chama 88 now. We are getting.
Even if you are using the 17,
yes,
17 bit me
6 hospitals. Yes. So when MPP for wa dia bi wo mo eye din to agenda 111 near tuagum na ho ye ode but when say me de wo call mass no ye ko deep no when say they are cut pants down.
Okay, but almost see we no a startup.
See,
maybe the question I be amebusa chama nusa later on say all along we na mo piska na dia
good. Over 1 year
ni. 1 year no. And the money that me
$100 million so 6.
How possible is it say you bet me nya? Because if you need to assume me make calculation now 17.
Yeah, but na ye calculation. MPP for na woni omu deal no.
You need 1 point. You need 1.496 billion dollars for
million.
$1 million. Yes. Sorry, $1 million for the 88. For the 88. But what I say? If it's 17, John, if it's 17, okay, $17 million. And we had there 88 we know. So we complete here. You need over a million. Yes, a billion.
That's correct.
Good.
Over a billion before you can finish.
Good.
88.
And the MPP for ni any omogru no. One say seed capital the ode to ase. The tie no. But you see, what say Obama 88. We seed capital no the what say minimum what are the no more for. Etumi a pega project ni dru baby. But we say no foundation no crampo no ebeye den say foundation ni be pie because in construction a lot goes into it, even designing, clearing of the land near there, it is part of this money.
If you look at the cost in it there, it tells you say scanisha
yanko yanim MPP ni ani omu deal no. If you are not smart omu be beat you simple kra e kire no be hu mistake away.
Giving us timeline say
1 year.
1 year. So 1 year nyame adom na yengu na.
Yeah, wa ha say.
Christo man.
Na say time our fellow Ghanaians time no. 1 year ago. Ye beka Nanado 88 yanka ho asem. See aka ene ewai.
Okay.
Not even one.
Ye this mama.
Eye me ya say woman chairman 20 minutes na me ye 8 minutes minya na me see I will understand. It appears say run it through baby amako but I'm cool. Near yanhwe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni NDC for nowhere and ye ka see a hospital ye share that bow Jakarta say any news Monday scarce ya bi but eneno I hold in my hand a document a meba hospitals are His Excellency John Dramani Mahama yes today as we speak and no pay na me wo platform bi eye me yasa opanyin no when Ghana when di no krama Ghana for na me ni opanyin bi wo platform bi so me bo Kumawood hospital na say mo MPP for jai manaka nwuram won say list by Kumawood nka ho ama chairman agia to mu say yes omo jai enti me nuanom a wo Kumawood what ye ni omo di ni ye MPP aban ni omo di ni ye Korea project Mahama Shasia ye jai manaka no ko say wi a etwa ye hu nyina ahia tepa baby aye Mahama MIA teaching hospital aye 617 bed University of Ghana. A health minister na Sputnik V ebu afano so ema ne ho aba asema president Kufuado say ye bonus Ghana for bonus mu ha no. Yes. Ono onya COVID na okoye ye Mahama na si hospital na onya COVID na nyame adom ne ho ato no osa so eje na home no Mahama na si ye yakwa a second phase of Tamale teaching hospital Alaji enim Mahama MIA expansion 400 bed from 400 to make it 800 expansion. So yakwa regional hospitals President Mahama MIA bebre.
Fine.
Me boba aden asa opre 420 bed ridge expansion. Ridge. It must be stated say Nanado Dankwa Kufuado aban Akobula General Hospital. The structure was there. Wakobu akate sword ene eye park. What the man mo fra say ombo bo okro mo ewafu. This same president me yase mi book na tete. Me see from no. 6 district hospitals. Okay. President Mahama Edemaye ebia na ye 60 bed. Ye betumi akọ enkoko ensoko konongo salaga twifu praso Medina 100 bed 120 bed be kwai ewo ho bebre na say printing for mo nya de kura say constitutional hospitals unim say ye institutional hospitals good and also 500 military hospital Kumasi Afari that is an institutional way say 104 bed a police hospital expansion in Accra. 130 bed maritime hospital. Your Bank of Ghana hospital. Ni nyina ya dia Mahama edema ye. Wa mba hu dwa data e ya dia siwo ene. Inti sometimes ushia Ghana fo na oni omo ka na odi mfonyini na ekire omo. Omo so akohu omo se ena mu ye din. Mo ye we nyina mo anka. Mo ye we nyina mo anka ene Kadi ya kofa beto ye ho so. For me, Sechina Nanado Dankwa president, betwa sod. Even so do betwa no kura, obi benya adwuma ye. Ghana ni so mo sha se a mason fo benya adwuma ye. Carpenter fo benya adwuma ye. Omo anu akosua kura ton benya. But the Ghana fo hwehwe ne se wo bobosia 210 billion edi abeka oman yi hu eka hu ema ne yedeka 332 million enye de ehia ne osebo ye pempuntuo ye pe de ye behunu na ye de ensa besom
chairman before the shortcut abeko so watchna no do you have any of a hospital mosia to your credit for the first 4 years?
Not a single one.
Ghana East Regional Hospital.
100 bed capacity infection center.
Senior Hosi private project. What are you talking about? Government there. Or you think we don't know? Those who are watching they know. Menchro. Woman 20 minutes, woman 10 minutes. What's a menchro on tour?
That's it. Samai, my answer question now will be sorry.
Okay.
Namu. Share yet not TV to say ye babe kasala it ye for amuntie ye pa na omun share susunya ede yentem as MPP and NDC share or before obe kasano or the kind ehuna say woman 20 minutes man 8 enya no pre na your friend no 20 because haka say Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund and no John Dramani Mahama na establish here and ye oil scarce be eco for that at something. You see, and now what the air of who are adding a
wedding.
No officer, oil now. Yes, President Kufuor discover MPP.
Chachuchi Kata.
We can have that
debate. Thank you. Almost say Ayungu. Now Ghana will not have oil in commercial quantities. That. You're fair, no twinching.
But with that one, still no, you give credit to them, say, Sikawa Honomu who say, any yen tibin to baby, that binti, I mean, one bam for summer, you know. Want to give credit to Mama?
That's why I said, have they given credit to the discovery of the oil? Omo kase anyungu, nyawo na you see that.
Omo say dey.
Anyungu. Mubwana. They didn't give credit. But we don't like the credit. The whole world ebe who say oil no ankasa nya
GMPC chachuchi kata nso say
1 gallon krampo we did not take the money for 1 gallon and the AC form and we take it charge. Nti say ene or see we are taking money from GIF now. Enya NDC there. Okay. Enya Ghana.
I think one now let's move on. That aspect of Yemfes Kensie for that ne ahwe mo ba ya dem smutimi dem smudi amada ache for Sabinia
bigger. Yan discover oil for that.
Okay.
It's more bigger than Yemfasika and took for that. You know that.
But for so na
you agree. What must say? Say you befa enu kra na met ma bubo nyoma bako aha 100 ye to they are benefited.
Okay.
National health insurance.
Okay.
Young farmer.
I will also have my bite.
So I will not go into that. But me can say governance is a continuous process.
Yeah.
Now see Mike, share NDC for no uno mu dia grona sa wan hwe ye a omu di nyoma bi kiti bebre woni so. They are experts in propaganda. It is the only party in this country omu yi officer kesipa adia to say propaganda secretary for the party.
Okay.
NDC na yes obi anya sada.
Now one of his points is that
asam we na now can you know person can or see sikano if you calculate the 100 if you divide the 100 by
17
yes. If you divide the 100
okay by 88 now
by 88 now we be less than 1.2 million na enu krampo entimi en nya foundation I am the pass say ultimately correcting no manu mu say wenu eye seed capital yes seed capital na commitment that adia mi ba be ye enya anumuja. That is what is meant by seed capital.
But me ya say
yes sikano shame
me ya say
about Ghana for nyina be hu say enya say so the keke na e kat ti say Hope City project na ye dede.
Okay.
Oh kasa no see bibia ni ho a mahama ye ya oye no dede. Hope City project omudi musicians from USA Eddie Bagana.
Okay.
Eddie be ye dede no hu dede. Eko katis one for Hope City project. Miss Rao, do you even know the plot now? Do you know the site? Did they do it? The difference between us and them, listen. Yeah, the seed capital no buy. So a sokrana is a commitment. And then financial institutions they will ask you to begin something before they can give
okay, Menasi, but the media and it's looking at the statistics and information minister they Mayeno said with $100 million and then the cost of each hospital estimated to be 17 million. Now there was 88 it tells you yes, it's a seed money, it's a startup funder, yeah, the SRC there. But you know, I can't be over. Contact a na jagu 3 years, 4 years, other years, funding niho. So we know, and yes, what is different from a no because you be a quiet one, you say, funding a crowd, no, starting, or you do a piano or alcohol, but it will be nice kind of crown, if you may be you, no doubt to her. And mamma, yes, bisa na Vanessa, na you tell home now, any about from Kratomra, ya ba, ever to us.
The animudia member for Nivintina Moni Ira, a binumba from was a mayor of our software, and so no many Masarama. A come, Obi or one man will say, stroke at channel. wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma memene da
okay
kwesie da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawa da efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on nante da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ya ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu no se ebeye mremremre
okay
a wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena suko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo ene mo ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa UTFM
awusia yensan emu akwaba oguso sinopi meden ade se mai kwa jense fabra enya mre enkenkan emfama in as much as ye ni je ho ese aban no ABC 88 hospitals region de bemu polyclinics bemu na afi district hospital bemu no na e was yenso enya kwanya na ebusa reasonable questions because ya Ghana ha ene ye hu se ye kwan a ye jato ene obuso odi kese adan ne kwan a wo ye no wagya ya obeka jo se de odi kan ye kwan abane ntua ne ka ubusa chama untumi the original chairman of the NPP say ne kwan a wo ye wagya ya obeka se abane ne ka onye ska ntua ne ka so it tells you say ebeto de anaka se ba be ye say die enso yan hwe ya na kwa quite elephant because we don't have the necessary funding to finish the project and no questions and ebusa say how reliable is this 111 project within a year say sika anywhere ebe ne den na etumi asi na sika no within 1 year no e fa he ene akonya aba e dey ABC hospitals no etumi e dey ama na enye reasonable to some of us say bi anka every region bia no aban ne beka sika manya no me dey ye complete one say bi Ashanti regional trade a complete hospital e wo trade oko ebia North Easter yo complete hospital Western region Elembele complete one na there a 6 crown no at least obi yare within the region mu a obetumi akọ dan say e be starting na be akọ kwan mu ana e dey na Ghana for ye pe well 1 year some ne ye kan ye te ha ene 16th of August en chekura no afi ba ko nyame de che ya e be sa betena ha na ya hwese nsam a ye so emu bi ka no jimisem ana ye sabi aba emu a fadwe nkyebra na enyamre enkenkan entumi enfama now Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia say in fact as a man forecast fix the country o man mo ayedin but uhunu say o man pani ba yi hardship ewo o man no so no o man for no so no eswate pa compared to Tamwa na NDC ewa abemo I mean chance yo enye relative no man pani abedi achireka
Medawasi.
So esumu no mabio. Eso ne ye bio.
Medawasi. On say debi ameka MPP for nipakuo bi a woni omu san a ya hweyi. Hospitals ya ka ho asemi. I'm happy say enne no Ghana for I'm leading the charge yembisa omu baby ebenya sika na free for the first $100 million no omu akire baby ebenya eye his excellency John Dramani Mahama sika wapa to ho ena nanado de be shasi but wunim
your statement will never be complete with that because for 12 bottle ho but aben ba you make us on fa bi metum
ma mente wa de
and so no nya
good
ena bia awuwe kan sa na ka sika o de to ho de I think
why do you do this
no
over PM over kono $10 million na ne wo
okay
Alaji wompo wa man komo ya yede unim say covid by omu koyi scafrey one of the fans at Mahama and so editor that money no na ni ho no omde omunsa ekobo omu no Alaji don't be doing this, you know this is my game. I'll give it to you, don't do it.
So
near
he's repeating what
hospitals 88 no sika ye here per dia 17 million no aye $1.5 billion and they are starting with $100 million.
Yes.
In percentage wise I saying
I'm on 10%. Less than 10%.
Me a businessman bia. Me pese me ye adie bebre. But say ma ho ode no. Say me pese me ye adie 100, ma ho ode no be so 5. Me de be ko 5 no ho. No obi ahu say 5 na ye ready. Enti me pe bi atoa so a enya meden. At least me wo bibi. MPP for ni ye ndi ni ye. Sika omode sha ase no. It cannot give us more than 6 out of the 88. And they are telling us, in 12 months' time, on my 88 hospitals, me Jayama Ghana for Yanko Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Dear Basam Noka. Or say under or Nina Nado Abino. A banner then
a bar hardship.
Say hardship ni tree, eh,
I want
no, or Modiano. I want no, or Modiano or form chain.
They have reduced hardship.
Reduced. I call for Mama so. Yeah, a swati. Good, but omunyi hardship in free.
Oh, but and they just heaven.
Work for heaven that will be here for my IGPD NB. Minia, see, I can't hardship. One him said they are basic. I can give you 3 basic things, sir. Okay. Even Bible. Actually, said Nipa unya. Or say unya de ubedi. Unya de obeshe. Unya baby a obeda. These 3 things na Nyankopon kura say nipa unya de aka no de e bonus. Good, yemfa aduane bo de ubedi. And NDC Mahama bro boto near tono 120 150 there about. Let me use 150 even though Andrew and under Mahmoud Baumia Nanado Abino. You told this same bro bottle 5.5 550. The same bro no ebimbeka the same bottle ebimbeka enti ayada na uka me say maybe just 4 or 5 years ago na me to a bro bottle 120 cedis and then me to no 5.5 550. I will say when my name and what ne kofom minu na yeti hey dokuno buo etesen and Mahama na utumeto dokuno 1 cedi at least sizable and then under Baumia 2 cedis the sakura 1.5 1 cedi 50 pesos yate ne kase no kura so
and then na me kotobi me to dokuno watenga janshi
yes
na me kotobi no ka tell say na me 15
yes
15 million
na ka ye
15 million
3 cedis
3 cedis no it's almost the cost 2 cedis
enti wo beto 4 cedis
and they just 4 cedis
enti the same mienu na wudi ni 3 cedis no metumi aka che say na 2 cedis and e call 3 cedis and no e 4 cedis because ebro hu ayeden omonti kroma planting for food and wana unim say yakọ parliament akọje krata yakọkra ebro e de aba oman mu ha enti so biti ebeka kire o say enne wama wo bre no eso atia aduane de ne yakanyo de etosu mienu de wo behye enne hwe uraba yi skirt ye hye no di twam say mike hwe bisane say ne skirt no first no okwa ebia 25 cedis 30 cedis enne sa skirt we I can tell you so better on 120 kachire ne say one man asitena mu aye mre ne bre no ne hardship no ekofo mu chain first no I mean what mathematics is this what kind of economics is this? And then so we are near to saying, I'm not advertising for anybody. In so we bottle near to saying, and then when I'm motor saying 1.5 baby okra 2 cedis depending on baby autonsu me one 80 pesos enti me koto sanso we ya wo ka kire me say one mama ma sitremu no ebre no ekofom now mama wo aduane atade de wo be hye yenko baby a wo beda bible say wunya baby a wo beda ene edan sie tell me say edan sie ayefo aye mreche mahama penso Mahama penso near to cement 24 cedis. Uni buaya dia 25 cedis. We 100 cedis sir. Utuminya cement 4 bags. And then under Baumia under Nanado president. Yeah, to 1 bag 52 cedis. And to this same 100 cedis cannot give you even 2 bags. Unim dia chere. A dime buaya ding. And as I walk high daya. Me was small one be wo. The medima will be 2 years ago 4,000 and now in baby a 6,000. Some nipa or te dinum no cockatcher and say, woman a breno alcoform. And then a dime boy I ding. And then I'm near tono 250, 300 no. And now cross 700, near 800. I want to mean to Anya, Unima boy. Iron rods are near to 1 ton, 2,400. And then 1 ton here 5,400. Be checking. And to show be sifie no the mahaya. We see for ma could be a dime bo. Ghana some woman way ye normal. Ghana for yen nemu ye fili. Na se ba umia be catch say wama ya ho kire no eko for mo a. Se bi no ne Ghana for ndi ni ye. Wo de catch yen say even dollar wo be fa no 4.17 and net dollar enam 6 cedis ni nyina aka ho na normal buaye de nso ba me ba 100 days o se wa arrest dollar no wa chi dia to prison de safo na ma IGP ene dollar na nenam he IGP no wan see ya change IGP ba me ensa rather unfortunate or fortunate IGP nko na ya change me ensa nda nanado ni ministers health minister the same health minister check ni ministers no. You see, okay. So what by your mind? Now wo bano, wo si obi incompetent. Na Ghana for top petrol 16 cedis. Now wo say we are competent. Wo ba ye no, ye tono almost 29 cedis. Not the word competence no. What sinitira say na say una wonti ase. Omu tutu di edin tutua ni yape atade ni ade ahyew. No more bomua na to Ghana for be trim near the 2 million momo and empower they are doing same. But menewu ana ebre ene wonam ekrom ha wokobo MPP ene omo aka ndifo din a ahwa ya babu.
Okay. Yan komra Cindy Bay Kasua or say accessible healthcare and delivery is one of the best things that help develop to develop a nation, and President of the Republic should be recommended for the 111 hospital facility project shortcutting that he is starting tomorrow. Ghana is indeed working under President Akufo-Addo. Regards to Honorable Howard Kumsin Cindy Bay at the Enonom. We so every teacher could you so President Akufo-Addo ensured that proper ambulances were delivered to every district. Fully equipped hospitals complete with laboratories are the types President Akufo-Addo is delivering, not empty hospital buildings. Since independence, there is only President Akufo-Addo that Ghanaians have called upon and pressured to fix the country. Regards to Chairman Odeneo Kwekuapia and Honorable Asamoah Boateng Asabi, so Chiaupa. Well, we say good evening, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying your show. Tell evangelists to keep on with the good work because the NPP is trying to deceive us. 111 divided by 100. What will you get? Less than 1. Okay. Well, Jaman.
Sir Mike.
Need you.
With our CP.
Good.
Near all my last message. We're confused, and he's been confused by. He's been confused by the argument now. And this is for a Putin.
Help him out if you think so.
Why would you allow him to attack Obi or Hell TV?
111, no. The cost is not 100.
No, was it 111?
Debbie, man, see the message. No, yeah. Was it divide 1?
They say they are only by tax and pony
less than 1. And I may say,
is it true or not?
And you cry, sell 100, no, the best 111.
Okay.
Or the best is
or the year 2 as yet.
Okay.
Simple.
Okay.
Now, young, let's go on. Now, share me here butter, back crampo and free near now or can you now? If he said, question now, and a topic now, dear to honor. Reverend Pa, I mean, no, he was not prepared. Okay. But I'm there. Pa said he's not prepared. Now, Sir Yaura, His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic, Kasabiana, take your time. Tumbu, not Pa. He doesn't talk unnecessarily. He talks with facts and data.
Okay.
One boy, baby, original. Or mount a chichiremu. Now, sir, or say 50 of the hardships, has been reduced now. And him say, not dum so hono, dum so ni help you. Now, there was high unemployment.
Okay.
We could not employ any single person into the public sector.
Right?
No,
it's not true.
750,000 have been employed into the public sector. 750,000, from doctors to nurses, health workers. So that is one aspect of reducing the hardship of Ghanaians. So OBC, won't me employee Ghana Nibiana or complete school OTP for 10 years and 5 years then. Won't me employee, won't question of employee. Nasa Obifu from Ebetina Kunyanso. Nasta wa kohono eko yi Ghana for every sa kwa sumnu. Emma yetimi employees 750,000 now. Doesn't it reduce the hardship for those who were not employed? In fact, no change. Now the next one they say there was unemployment. Absolutely. To the extent say a Kwobi for the first time in the history of Ghana, a Kwobi by unemployment graduate and Krampone Ekumino. Unemployment graduate. Yan say before you graduate school, university no na juma bi here. Enya dia ebebo to say so sana juso ebo akokwe. But omumre no graduates had to form an unemployed graduate association.
How is it now?
Completely disbanded.
But Obia na Obia school and Motena no nyajuma.
Hear me. That particular na has been completely disbanded. You find 100,000 Ghanaians. You find no teacher. Umreno eswa. Nemu mi pesemika atiefo nyina enya asum ye na omuntie niemi kanu baku. Said the bear. Omentia say Dr. Mahmoud, His Excellency. See, you are reducing and now say you're reducing the hardship of Ghanaians now. And now let's come to graduate unemployment. NACO has cleared that. Then lack of employment, 750,000 in the public sector, has cleared that. Now let's move on. High import cost was killing Ghanaians in this country. It was between 30% and 50%. We have reduced that. You see the point? Where we now Emma, I'm going to say, Emma. That is exactly what the man is talking about. And you say, what you know what I can say? We have eliminated the session respectfully. Who correctly, Reverend say, for that to happen until say he didn't say that we have eliminated that, but we have reduced the hardship of Ghanaians.
Okay.
Now let's
evangelist touch on something. Abraham has lost love needs. also talks about that one.
Right. Now number 4 no. Me di eno ebetu nche na me respond to Abraham any we know. Tie or see food prices. Share medical catcher say and for no more tactics when it comes to mischief. Tactics need the omo amudia. On say evangelist enkra or admit say or woni say or hopeful need the omudia. That should not joke there.
What is Alaji talking about?
So the same way that Muhammad said, if it is violent now, they are more violent than anybody. Until their class, their field of area, who they always warn you. Until Mami mean country, food prices. Or see, na kenke price you say, na cement price you say, na ene design. Mr. Remo Bisa said in 1992, na kenke price you say.
Yankai.
Thank you. In 2002. Na kenke price you saying. Yamfa umbra enim in 2016 when they lost power miserably. Na kenke price you saying.
1 cedi.
Can you compare that to 1992?
Oh, so forward ever.
Me ba. Oh. The world itself near forward ever.
Okay.
Enti sa obi pesa oye mischief na odi nyoma sa suna.
No.
No.
In a way. Why you tout say Diania boo because the plan of food and jobs aba. In Ghana said you bua. We are for no even how to save no kranasa umbestory no kran ed the ayefo. The Diania bua. Ada ne buono etet misa akosoro.
Samai.
Saman.
Me bisaw. Esamisa.
Obisa we na no who bisa na sem.
Allow him. Busa me.
Since when have you become the host
of
this program? When did you become the host of this program? Me say, Duanubu na mudi beye politics here in here. Mo feel poto. Systematic book for 2016 and only be compared to 2020 in here. He just admitted say onu na over there or the renti 2,000 and then or the renti 4,000. Semite, let's be honest before the God that created you and I. A day boy who could day in a year time and now 2 years. Let's say 2 years and dinner. Does the landlord give it back to you? Same price in Ghana here. So what is this man talking about?
But the level of increment, no?
That is where I'm coming. Nti eya tubu meba bedru hono na we. He was talking about the cedi and dollar. We know meaning. Yamfa depreciation of the cedi to dollar no. Yamfa 2012 to 2016 and in 2017 to 2020. Yamfa the rate of depreciation and for to skills. Now you would have known, say, the rate of depreciation is far more lesser than now. That is what we're talking about. Sir, who the
in reality?
Yeah.
Cement was 24. Okay.
But you know that cement was 5 cedis in this country.
Sure.
In 1994.
It was even 24
pesos. Because first,
was
first, let Otta, they are not on 1 gun and Tino. Say, Ubana beton 2 cities, and you're hiding because a baby net is here now.
No, yes, I am. And Chimano and Siponi.
We expect the same kind of buy and say, because of Caribbean can say,
Saudi, sir, ever your argument, Diana. Let's just say, you're not being honest.
Okay.
To the facts.
You know, we are far better than the NEC.
Thank you. Absolutely. Far better than the NEC.
Mesaba. Hello, Samai. Good evening. Please, I simply don't understand why, after election, the president is still campaigning and making numerous promises. Just about a week ago, he promised NAPCO trainees that he is making them permanent, whereas those already in the civil services are crying for better conditions of service. He promised hospitals, but yet to see any hospital put up by this NPP government. All what we hear day in and day out is wasting of millions of dollars. My warm wishes and greetings to Honorable Evangelist Richard Pra, Wefri Emmanuel Boama inside Kuti na Ima Ede Abba. Good evening, Sir Mike. I'm Pa Emmanuel, watching you live from Tepa. What is the beef of the NDC man? Always against any good move by Nanado. You did the same thing against Free SHS. Tell him to give us a break. Okay, Ima, de Abba, I don't know. Teacher Karim from Tepa also. Good evening, Sir Mike. Thank you for the good work. May Allah Almighty guide you. Amen. What we know is that government is continuous. We have some uncompleted hospitals started by the former president. We want the president to complete it before he starts new ones. Good advice.
But that has been done.
Good evening, Sir Mike. I will be pleased if NPP and Akufo-Addo government Agenda 111 will be true. They should not do it as their one village, one dam, and one district, one factory, because I didn't see any factory in Nandoli, Kalu district, where exactly I come from. There is Timothy writing from Wa. In fact, the vice president shouldn't be making Ghanaians annoyed. In part of Ghana, that's not which part of Ghana does the NPP and the Akufo-Addo government has reduced the hardship. Where poultry farmers, public workers, and everyone in Ghana is crying. All right, I don't blame him. VIP is lying because this year the local Ghanaian farmer cannot get fertilizer to buy. Mohammed from UDS Nankpala campus. Mohammed, yanchiao na NRC. It say strike no. I was so by Mukuswa Musyade. My name is Sedu Zimbo Old Tafo. Say, in my life, I will never trust Nanado and NPP with their agenda 111. It will tend to be agenda 000. Sedu, is that your prayer? Yamampa Senkebe na NJ Abefi. Good evening, Mr. Host. Please, the NPP man over there is throwing dust into the eyes of the public. Please check the Ghana Health Service website. The number of nurses employed during 2013 to 2016 from Kunero of Aguna Swadru Kunaru, Yanasi, and then please let the MPP man give us the breakdown of the 750,000 people they have employed. The man is just like Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia. They only come out to lie. Please let him understand that unemployed graduates are in the system and they have even multiplied now. As for the 111 hospital, even primary students know that it's another lie. Nana promised Almighty God a cathedral. He is now begging money to build it. How can he fulfill his promises to we mere mortals? NPP is going down like a wall of Jericho. Dusty, just so. You are the most super competent journalist I've ever come across. Your questions are intact. Sir Mike, tell the NDC man to be tell the NPP man, NDC man. I did cry. Evangelist, what confused me. Tell the NDC man to be competent enough to mention how many they completed in their term of office. You should give us a break. Good evening, Mr. Host. The NPP have nothing better for Ghana because they always compare themselves with the NDC, but we voted them to fix the country. I am a driver and a and how the fuel is being increased each day. Very, very bad. Big So, Kaswa of Anko. Big So, fuel there, you know, to the boy. Na se de twin no enya agro kra secretary a ogie na hefu la auto ne ade a tim say yes na form kra bi aka say well you go so di come ever seda ever Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ko wati BS Kafo Amantem e na Mala Muhammad wa Mala se ben kan kiro say eni wa how say awo say e twere say e dam ana say usika sam na akofom oduma sam ayebasa akontu sam na ayedin amawa Omodia na ebewuremu e wana kache ose nyame adomunti ala efa na so atumi ajo Skafo Amantem e wo Eastern region Skafo Amantem kura ye fe no atibie e ho e na mala odun kokwa oso kwatibie omodia na kopi wona mala etimi mo asanso e na asedabio enko emfa ema Tawhid Asapati Clinic e wo Odium Kumasi ose yare bi ha obi ha no wode ana ebra memo bi nya bi yade bia akọ na eho na manfo akọ agyo mayaresa ama nei o ma no mo ngo no o manya awo o ma no mo ne fra no o mani ate ntu so kwai na onso ekọje wayaresa kuma so Odium na mo dwada kosi kwasiada da bia da o mo eye adwuma hyene so pa fa me sanso na sedabio enko emfa ema God's Way Casket Shop o Kumasi Asafo Liberal about we say program bia na wo ye na open canopies open chairs open sound system open so no de na de ma program na se a obey e de ama open MC sa de ma san so de fundaka onya yie na be fundaka de ne bo no form na e fa God's Way Sibra na ontumi emwa ye betu kwan akwamno ne koya adwuma ama sika ba fie sore na se MP a sika ma fie sika so ma fie a e ya asem ko a na men nkom obi nkonko wiawo men nkom obi mfawo sika nkonko di obra obada so atana Ghana udi sika na ekode a now they call a reliable travel and tour agency obetumi do akọ edwaba eno na make am for our travel and logistics etumi ede amawo se omo de Dubai ena omo do come so frɛ omo ka che so your connection e wo China your connection e wo UK osika to fi omo boa be bi omo connection wo e Dubai odi kwa other country bia na e pa hye wa em bo mi so bo na emom Dubai de e pa hye wa bra because nim say ho de original pa our travel and logistics and I be from now you know what you have Edward could do Dubai some dem odwuma ye be so ada ama ho atumi ato well evangelist just in a minute na hey okay yeah name ya man ntum yemre no okay was it I wonder which government running the country they promised to recruit graduate teachers this year yet they open the portal for applicants for just 5 hours. Wow. How do you expect someone to apply? David from Sigakope. Dave, you now say, na yentia Sigakope Funina. Rita from Sokoban Crew from Evangelist. Give it up. God bless you. Okay, good work. Okay, Rita, you now say, so, oh, hey, what's it? And you're saying, you thought
it was open for 3 days.
3 days.
And every day 5 hours.
Oh, okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay. It was open for 3 days. And every day 5 hours, which is 15 hours.
Yes.
Now, numerous Ghanaians are Omako UCC.
So I said the information was given out 2 months continuously.
But you also know the system, network system, I was to do a internet to meet Jamie. What time? And I'm going to say within 5 hours. No, say a time a man for a doubt to say be a system be smooth and now another daytime one.
Excuses upon excuses to failure, our own failure, and consider bank. Yes, see, but African wake up at 8 a.m. now. The African wake up at 9. Now, I'm catching say so not.
You have not been. If that was done, it was not fair. We'll be our university. Our ABA Sefia Contomra be a village. Our network. I've been watching Woba. I'm on 3 days. The 3 days no Oba. They will be doing 5 years next more. How do you expect that person? All right. Hello, good evening.
Why would you
hello, good evening.
Of late when there's no equipment?
Wait. Would you be actually a friend, Ray? Honorable meet you.
one year, you will say a command. Madame, then you see Katana open about NPP. No, with the personality, I just say NPP shame of government of Ghana. Every Ghana, I know that's NPP now, but that's the top of that show. They can say, a young expensive, Nana with that Baku. What very Ghana totally come up on an amount. And you come out for disappointment.
Okay. Right. Right. Okay, you're not say, but at least I'll bet you I got Mama offers to be free SHSO. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
We need to share free. Yes, sir. But I didn't tell
and this for one chair at the top of the blood and the poor. Everything that they have to show us by it. I am a middle man, then I buy it. One that the one of then I buy it. Yes, that program when I buy it. Almost one new campaign with it before the government and for another dog for the yard, it's called Pussy Boy. But I know your citizen or anything. Then I had it to come, I don't get it. The day for a little amount of my papa, another dog for the penny.
Okay. Yeah, now see. Everybody better. Hello, good evening. We need to answer my judgment. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
We need to show me friend you ring. I confirm now about there. Okay. I'm in Shema, I'm on hospital to be your heart. Mean to you.
Now, let's give me a bundle. Let's give me a bundle. Where the child is to run up with. Yeah, it was for the end of the year, and the end to I can tell you, about this so, what is the end of the year? Because that's your act and it's all trouble, then I would then take you. Yeah, that's the action. I feel to make it right. I feel for the money of the month. That makes your 40 to be better.
Kofo be fine saying 24 pesos.
4,500. What is the 4%? Okay, yeah, I'm going down my head. I'm not 24. I'm not going to once you need 10%, and I'm going to make what is the 10%?
Okay. Why I now say hello, good evening. Karim, Tepa, Yamia watch Nabotrena Echo Hospital no. Na information akrawai. Good. Minti we. Amen.
And then I go hospital and I'm a car for like insurance and you never believe. But you have to your money to lose in time or that kind of. Your couple of what truly Ghana for. Also with the Kufago. So you look at you winning and we do not get jail, you know. If you're moving to Kafasa, but make it in you about you can you need to
okay. Okay. See, you now say, I know Fatapa, Government Hospital, or not watch another Panama. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. We need to actually friend you, Ray. Abrim yenti on your name. New Abrim, okay. Okay.
Not only you say this is because so this is still went to boy 21st. It's never true.
No, you're saying
35. So to boy so I'm going to see this all right.
Okay.
35 is little. And 35 is so 35 is. Now the buy no. About from the 32. Another example.
Okay.
24. I have complete.
Okay. 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 You also for control. Okay. Hello, good evening. Nyame gusu shira me pa.
In the north, how much is a bag?
Okay. Wonka also oho na Western region ebenya 2 ewo district hospitals na eba sunum. Okay, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. We need to share free. Okay. Okay. Janasi. Last caller ni. Hello, good evening. We need to share free. What the camera that? Of the camera, Nipana Dawson. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
We need to share free. Into Vita Kawine.
Nana, and before the Omokato. Only the Gana, Sela, and before that. Hello.
It's your Bakasa.
Sela, Modataka, personal, and the entity was the road. They did less or the door, the 25.
Why are you taking your head off? No, your own head. Yes. Raise your hand.
Ghana and Israel,
okay. I say, Namen chat Takwafuna, and then you say, Moshe. Hello, good evening. Good evening, share free. Jaboso, okay. I can't do what on as well. Yet, you and you yet, your power in a casa.
And I'm out for a situation in the country. And I use that Omoko strike. And you know, we have the NPP follow on the Omoko and the agree and Mr. Bagana for you. You say, yes, you know that well.
Okay.
Which I said,
Yerasi, Yanfancy, Yerasi, Yanfancy, Yanfancy, Okay, producer pick it back on. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, I'll show you free. Okay. Western North, Momobenya hospitals no, 88 or China, Becati Sword no, Benya Minu, Ahanta West, Benya Bu, Grand Quantana, Ahanta West, District Capital, and Afi Mpoho, Monso, Mubenya Bi, Western North, Mubenya Bia East District, Bodi District, and Afi Shama District, Mono, Mo, Western North, Central Region, Gomwa, Upper Denchira, West. Ascent North, Ewutu Senya na Mame, how come you na? Ewutu Senya West, and afi Ascent South na. Oh, say Ascent South na you so one.
No, Joe.
Deputy Minister for Education. Oh, okay. So for one, and afi Kifo Herman, Lower Denchira, and afi Aguna East District. Muni na mo benya bi ewo ho. Voter region Adaklu, Afajato, okay. Akache, Akache Muni District Hospital. Wow, Hosu Nibi, Ho, okay, Biana Hubeya Regina. Anloga, South Day, Yama Minister, MP, Roxanne, Honorable, Speedy Recovery. And then Akache South, Monso Mubenya Ebi, and so Ewo. And then Oko Northeast, and Chamainusa, or Pre Regional Chairman, no. Bunkrugu, Chireponi, Yo, and Yagaba. Okay, I can't simple Yaraba. Okay, also Monso Mubenya be Oti region, Mubenya Pandai, then Mion, Nanton, Sagarugu, and no, Sagarugu, not Saban, SJ, not V. And then Kumbungu. Ya Kumbugu, Otidia Kumbugu Koide. Ah, okay, northern region, I'm a boy. Monkafra, a few minutes so. Then what? Those surprise. Well, Ubia Benyabi. No, they have a pie Western region. Two, Western region. Hunter West. And Mpo. How? Elembele. What a Ghana gas war. Open the district hospital. Ghana gas. Elembele. They don't have this hospital. Regional Minister, or Western region, at the end of Baya, we any say. Na Ejoso, ye will be there. Because Ejosu Nimu, Ejosu, you know, this hospital. Okay, you will be Ejosu Government Hospital. Ejosu Hospital. Oh, okay. Now, a squad, you know, say a regional hospital. It's still never saying here about who a squad. Okay. There's a one to district, first of all, or my hene, and I will crew hene. So, I'm going to emphasize, I say, man, another Kufado. Enti. Ena bia ye nyanya minister say baby wo munyanya nsase nti ne wonya nsase ne dia na ye say ye dimi nkoye nti de e ba ye bia no omonya nsase well evangelist ye mfa seda e ma why na ye Malam Muhammad Kumawood TV escafo amante we frame Malam e was 0246 647247 0246 647247 have a God's Way Casket Shop for all your caskets. 024373 7457 024373 7457 afi our travel and logistics 0552 373 027 0552 373 027 omo and a boy marriage made in the evangelist Anaroma yes no kwan yeko
that's ya be sere they say omo bia ho ban de atie bia no ye mu bi ye be kan no kre no amagana for ate yesere rade banbo that's it
okay
nyame bo ho ban ya bibia
ask evangelist if he ran away from your show last week because of his birthday if not tell him to do the needful okay what what so what is there what the message you know
oh say be a nipa no or around that
tama en tell you me that you pa nyame style any message na dia ba nyame style pa OPK Goso was it NDC are super incompetent and clueless after messing up the country for 8 years in which Nana Addo and NPP government are fixing. So never again. Regards to Dr. Baumia, Gideon Boako, o wusu sachre okay
didi o mo ma ne bi
okay well yako yadase so bye Mr. Pa John
Semai
yanase
me pacho asida enka auto for adinya
mo
na ne ewo ho ne se me say afi na Ghana ebeyede
Ghana bed de say oni
president
ko ka won penina da ko fo
biba
Edu ebi no say akwadefo no mo say adwuma ni o
ebi mo hu
so guys are statement
ebi mo hu for mo say these 111 hospitals you see nyina across the country here na ni omo wie ya
ma break 8
omo wie ya ba
ye pen sa
nti ye pe say Ghana for nyina emfa by bontage
okay
na adiwe enye
asori no mo tumi asi awie ni abom pai
Ghana for say sa ye ba no competition ye ba no comparison of prices ye di better some there in here they should not listen to NDC
okay
if he say me papa echo Mecca
okay
2 Ghana cedis
all right
me mami echo Mecca in 2008 me na me di ko ye do na di kai ko
okay
me di ko ye na it was 4,000 cedis
okay say
and Mecca ko 12,000 enu no
down you say na say Sami Boache Asamankasi the agenda 111 across the country is very feasible and reasonable, and let's commend President Akufo-Addo for gradually fixing the country and all the Mahama mess. Also, Fred Opariansa, next GS let us say General Secretary Opariansa.
Omuna ekeka.
Oh, sir. Hey, Opariansa.
Omuna ekeka.
Okay. Well, you have said I'm also nyamre na Otra TV achi ehwe that's okay performance near Kama. Samai, good evening. I have gone off for some time because of the hardship Nanado and his government have brought to the system. Enoch man appear mano from Ajumako. We are not certificate at Tasso.
Wow.
At the Amae. And was look at my performance. I'm that's what Tiffy. I hope Enoch. Yame and count me ding at say Mike. On behalf of the entire crew and the able cameraman Kobe Frank aka Kawachi Sanso and a production manager which you know so producer Benada executive producer Samuel Kwabena Dakon MCR VTR Loretta and I feel Augustina and I feel director showing so Sam Dakus Mimi Ding Michael Nana Adumako say Mike Shannon so na dwene ho ye sade bia ye bia no se ho atemu ama na da chi bia no ubenya ntifeni ye na etoto nyema ye nyame hira na onka ho makra
animdia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma memene da
okay
kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala